Kaden. What are you doing? Did you put your toys in your purse?
You gotta get your Asian.
Barbie. This is Barbie too. Get your keys ready. Kaden, put your keys in your purse. Why don't you just hold on to her?
Give her a kiss. You like her?
Give her a kiss. She's pretty. She's pretty.
She is pretty.
She's hot.
She's hot? Yeah. Show your mama. Show your mama what girl you like.
What? You like her? What's her name? Are you going to call her Pretty?
Yeah.
Say hi, Pretty. Are you showing her your tattoos? Kaden? Are you showing it to her? Say, look at my tattoos. Well, why don't you get
some awesome tattoos?
Is that your purse right there? Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome.
Here you go. Take your Barbie in the other room. Take your girl. Okay, see you later. Have fun on your date. Oh, you need your keys?
Get your keys out.
You forgot your girlfriend.
Where's your girlfriend? Where's Pretty at? Get Pretty. You're going to leave her?
Yeah.
Don't leave her. Say bye.
Bye.
Is your car outside? It's out back, actually. Go get your car. It's in Skylar's room. Uh-oh, you dropped your keys. Yeah. Say bye, camera. I don't even want to stop. You found it. See how much he's talking? It's so weird. Are those your keys or Pretty's keys?
Bubba's keys.
Bubba's keys?
Bubba's keys.
Yeah. Where's Pretty at? Say bye, camera.
Bye.
Look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera, Bubba.
Say I love you. I was trying to unlock the door.